Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Destination Jamaica via channel. Now we have a few updates to share as it relates to Olympics. We are in the midst of the season. Our athletes are in Tokyo safe and sound. And there are a few things that you need to know if you haven't gotten the 411 yet. So the first is that one of our male athletes didn't make it to the Olympics. The second update would be one of our Jamaican athletes, competitors, has an injury. And the third one is a bit of the Olympic schedule, like when should you actually watch the Olympics if you want to see Jamaica? Now let's start with the very first one. But before we do so, yesterday was the opening. I'm not sure if you saw it. We did. We actually got about 4 a.m. Due to some misinformation, and we recorded it, but we couldn't post it. It was good, and we saw Jamaica finally with Shelly leading the train of athletes. No, big up to Jamaica. We are so proud of you and we're supporting you from home. So let's get into the very first update. You surely want to know which Jamaican athlete didn't make it, right? So he actually got COVID-19 and his name is Carey McLeod. So he was set to compete in the men's long and triple jump events. But unfortunately, he received a positive COVID-19 test and was isolated. So he didn't get to go to Tokyo at all. Um, so we're very sorry that Carey McLeod didn't make it to represent us in the at least two field events, which is the long and triple jump events. But we understand. Get better, bro, and we are hoping that you'll be there for the next Olympics. More competitions will come along, and we understand that you might be disappointed, but we got you. Okay. Now the next update. You're probably wondering which Jamaican athlete. She's actually at the in Tokyo. But what happened to her, right? So the only Jamaican gymnast that's there, which is Danoshia Francis, she actually has a knee injury. So she did an MRI on Friday, and it showed that the damage to the joint was worse than hoped for because she had a knee injury and they had to check to see what's happening. So she won't be able to compete in all the events that she initially planned for. She'll only be able to compete on the uneven bars. So that means that she won't do the vault or the balance beam or the floor exercises. And I think she would have mashed up the floor exercise. But not this Olympic season. So definitely thank you so much, Danicia Francis. We're sorry that you had that knee injury, and we're wishing you a speedy and full recovery. And do what you can at the uneven bar. You're already a winner to us, both of you, um, Kerry McLeod and Danisha Francis. Now let's move on to the third update. You're probably wondering when to watch Jamaica. Now I'm seeing that our very first event is with Alia Atkinson in swimming. Guys, you need to watch Alia and but I just did it for the check and feel. She's actually going to be in the women's 100-meter breaststroke, and that's the heat 3 on Sunday, July the 25th at 7:40 p.m. I think that's Tokyo time, so that would be early morning for us, right? So you need to watch that. And then on Monday we have the men's 200-meter butterfly heat 1, and Keenan will be competing. On Wednesday, we have the women's elimination run of 32. That's the 7 kg, right? So you definitely need to watch the judo where we have Daly Drysdale and Barbara Timo. And also we have another heat one, with Keenan taking place in that men's 200 individual medley, and that's swimming. So swimming, it seems to be the very first event with Adia Atkinson on Sunday, and then we have judo and swimming again, and then afterwards, you have to watch the heats, the women's 100-meter heat 1 and heat 2 on Thursday, 29th of July, which will be 9:48 p.m. and 9:40 p.m. So we'll double check. I think those are all Tokyo time. So let's see what happens. We are ready to watch. We are ready to see what's happening in Tokyo, Japan with all our athletes. So that's it for the updates. Do remember to subscribe, check out our online store, and we'll try to give you as much content as it relates to Olympics as possible. Do comment below and let us know, who are you expecting to medal this year? And what are your expectations when it comes to the different events? Not just track and field, swimming, we're in diving, we're in boxing, so and gymnastics, of course. So those are some of the events that we're in. So next time, people, big up on yourselves, stay upful, stay safe, and enough blessings always. Thank you. Later.